Hello students and welcome back. This is Swati Pant and today I will be explaining you class 3rd English Literature Unit 7 Chapter 13 poem Puppy and I. Students, this is a very beautiful poem and in this poem there is a puppy and a boy and both of them are having a conversation. There is also a man and a horse in the poem. So let's start it. I met a man as I went walking. We got talking. Man and I. Where are you going to? Man, I said. Down to the village to get some bread. Will you come with me? No, not I. So here in the first part of the poem, a man is walking and going down to a village and the boy started talking to the man and he asked him the question that where the man was going. To which the man replied that he was going down to the village to get some bread. And he invited the boy to come with him. He asked the boy, will you come with me? To which the boy replied, no, not I, because the boy did not wanted to go down to the village to get some bread. He did not had fun in thinking about the same. He thought that what will I do going down to the village and getting some bread. So he completely said no. He denied to the man, no, not I. Then in the second part, I met a horse as I went walking. We got talking, horse and I. Where are you going to, horse, today? Down to the village to get some hay. Will you come with me? No, not I. Now again he met a horse now and he asked the same question to the horse. They both got talking and he asked the horse that where the horse was going. To which the horse replied that it was going down to the village to get some hay. What is hay? Hay is a dried grass form which is eaten by animals. Horse also eats hay. So the horse replied that it was going down to the village to get some hay and the horse invited the boy, will you come with me? The horse asked the boy, will you come with me to the village? To which the boy said, no, not I, because the boy did not wanted to go with the horse to the village to get some hay. So he denied it. Then I met a puppy as I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. Where are you going this fine day? Up in the hills to roll and play. I will come with you, puppy, said I. Now finally he met a puppy and they both got talking. Puppy and the boy started talking. So again the same question the boy asked puppy, where are you going to this fine day? To which the puppy replied that it was going up in the hills to roll and play. Now here is a difference, students. Both the characters, the previous ones, the horse and the man, they were going down to the village to get some kind of food. But the puppy is not going down to the village. It is going up in the hills to roll and play. So this is something which the boy really liked because the puppy is going up to the hills to roll and play, to have fun. Here the puppy is not asking anything to boy, whether he want to join puppy, whether he want to come with him for playing. But himself the boy said, I will come with you, puppy, said I, because he got really happy to hear that the puppy is going up to the hills to roll and play. And the boy wanted to do the same. He wanted to have fun. That's why he said that I will also join you and I will also roll and play. So this is the end of the poem, students. New words which we have learned here are village. Village is a small settlement in a area. Hills means there is a land which is lower than the mountain but above the land. Bread is a food which is made up of flour. Hay is a dried grass which is eaten by the animals. It is used as a food. Roll means to turning over and over and play means to take part in games for enjoyment. So I am done with this poem, students. In case you have any doubts, you can reach out to me or you can comment. Thank you.